Eye of newt and wing of crow, make this bunny's hiccups go. Here comes the airplane. Yeah.
No, Huh?
Make it stop!
Slip, slop, fudge pop. Well, I guess we can go with Plan B, which is to scare them hiccups out of him. Boo! Boo! I'm gonna get ya.
No offense, but you're not that scary. I mean, you look like a fried green tomato covered in speed bumps.
Actually, it kind of looks like a frog that was run over by a truck made of Italian beef.
Why, you little flirt. Flattery will get you everywhere. Okay, here's the address to my friend Count Blood Count. He'll scare the pants off ya. Or maybe scare the pants on ya.
Go ahead and knock, Porky.
Well, this is the place.
It sure is. Let's get in there and get those hiccups scared out of you. Count Blood Count? Count Blood Count?
Count Blood Count, come scare me.
Well, what do we have here? Looks like tonight I'm dining in.
Count Blood Count. Count Blood Count. Where is this guy? I need to get frightened so I can get rid of these annoying things.
You know, sometimes working out can get rid of the hiccups. What do you say we try this workout video from the 1980s?
Are you ready? Now run in place and reach up high. Way to go! Keep it up, ladies. Now drop down and donkey kick, donkey kick, donkey kick. Work, ladies. Now tuck and jump, tuck and jump, tuck and jump. Punch and thrust, punch and thrust, punch and thrust. Put them all together. Donkey kick, tuck and jump and punch and thrust. Donkey tuck, jump and thrust. Kick and punch, kick and punch, kick and punch. Are you feeling the burn?
I am feeling the burn.
Let's cool down with a nice stretch.
They still got him?
I don't think... Yeah, I do.
Well, maybe we can still get this count to scare you.
What the... Look at this guy.
They're lying down on the job.
Sheesh. The only thing Count Blood Count's counting are sheep. Let's get out of here.
Want even more Boomerang? Click on one of the videos and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.